Hey y'all, it's Jessie Lynn and welcome to my channel. Before we get started, please look down below and make sure you're subscribed and make sure you have the bell clicked. If you don't have the bell clicked, then you're not going to be notified when I upload, and yeah, you want to be notified. Anyways, and please give this video a thumbs up. It helps my video get out there more, and in return that really helps my channel and I appreciate it so much. So first I want to say that I have a pounding headache. I haven't had my glasses on all morning so I could film, because if I have my glasses on and then I take them off, it messes me up. But I should have went ahead and put them on because I've already got a headache coming on. Anyways, just wanted to clarify that. So I'm super excited to be able to sit down and film for y'all. It is officially fall, but it's still like 90 degrees outside. It is so hot. But since it is fall, I wanted to do my first fall makeup look. I've already done my face and everything. So if you have any questions about what I'm wearing, please comment down below. Feel free to ask me. I'd love to let you know. But today we're going to be using the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette Holy Grail. And I'm super excited. I love this palette. Alright, we're just going to get started. I'm first going to go in with Thanks a Latte and put that all over my lid to make sure it's good and set and lighten it up a little bit. I did my makeup in my bedroom, and so by the time I got here in my makeup room, my eyes have creased. Yay. Oh, and also I want to let y'all know, and I forgot it in my bedroom, and okay, first I'm going to tell you what it is. I don't know if you've ever heard of JORD watches. It's spelled J-O-R-D, but it's pronounced JORD. They make these gorgeous wood watches, and they're gorgeous. I'll insert a picture, but they sent me one of their watches and I am obsessed with it. But we're doing a contest, and I'll put the link in the description box. Literally all you have to do is fill out your name and your email and you're entered. But they will email the winner, and whoever wins will get $100 off their store on whatever watch they want. So I just wanted to let y'all know. Alright, next I'm going in with Transition, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to work that in my crease. Bringing it up some. I'm so excited for it to cool off. Fall is literally my favorite season. I don't know where I'm going with this look. All I knew was I wanted to create a fall look, and this palette was just screaming fall to me. Oh my goodness, have y'all ever seen the movie A Dog's Journey? Oh my gosh, we just got through watching that, and oh my gosh, me and my husband both were in tears. And it was super crazy because the mom in there, she lost her husband when she was 8 months pregnant, and I lost my husband when I was 8 months pregnant, and they were both in car crashes, so it like really hit close to home. But up until the ending, and if you've never watched this, I'm sorry, up until the ending, like, she was a really horrible mom. So then it was like, okay, well, I can't relate to that, so it made it a little bit easier. But that movie, oh my gosh, you have to watch it if you haven't seen it already, and get your tissues out because it is so sad. Now I want to get Are You Kidding Me? The names are so cute, but it's that one, and work that in the outer corner and in my crease some, but not bringing it as high up. These shades are super, super, super easy to blend out. I love Violet Voss shades. They are a little bit pricier, but the palettes are huge, so to me they're really worth it. Because you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 20 shades. And they're just amazing. I have this one and then the Nicole Concealio palette. And I love them both. Alright, I'm going to take that first really fluffy brush I used and just make sure everything's blended. Now I'm going to go in with Teddy Bear, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to work that in the outer V some. And just a reminder, whenever I reach 2,000 subscribers, I'm doing a huge, huge, huge giveaway. Like a huge giveaway. So make sure you're subscribed so you can be part of that, because you have to be subscribed and you have to be following me on Instagram. So if you're not already, follow me on Instagram too. My link is in the description box. But yeah, it's going to be huge and I'm so excited. Like I love, love, love giving stuff to people. I love making people happy. And I mean, y'all are helping me be able to chase my dreams. So I want to be able to give back to y'all. I'm doing another giveaway once I reach the watch hours I need to be monetized. I'm doing a giveaway on my Instagram whenever I reach 10,000 followers. So I have literally 3 giveaways coming up. So y'all make sure y'all are following, make sure you're subscribed, all that good stuff. And right now I'm going back in with that super fluffy brush and blending this out. I didn't add any extra product or anything. Okay, I am going to go in with the touch of that transition shade. Blend. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Wine and Dine and put some of that on the middle right here. That is such a super pretty shade. I want to make sure those two are blended together. And then just blend on top. Now I want to add Chill. I'm just going to go with my finger and add that in the very inner corner of my lid. It's a really pretty, like bronzy gold shade. Alright. Make sure that's all blended. Really digging the way this is turning out so far. Alright, now I want to go in with Ploof. That is like the cutest name. But I just want to put a little bit of that in the inner corner just to make the inside pop. Usually I add a shade to highlight my brow bone, but I'm loving the way this is right now. I don't want to add anything up there and lighten it up. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup off camera real quick and I'll be right back. Alright, this is the completed look with the rest of my makeup on. Like I said, if you have... I feel like I'm singing. Why do I sound like that? Anyways, like I said, if you have any questions about anything else that I have on my face, feel free to comment down below and ask me. And yeah, if you have ever thought about getting their palettes and you never have, I highly recommend it. They are amazing. I can't wait to be able to film for y'all again. I miss y'all so much, and I feel like my depression is finally getting better. But oh my gosh, this past week the girls had hand, foot, and mouth. The week before that we were all battling the stomach bug. Like, I even had to go to the emergency room for fluids because I was so dehydrated. So it's like bam, 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 one thing after another. But anyways, that is it for this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Please comment down below. Let me know your thoughts. And yeah, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see y'all in my next video. Toodles!